Union Minister of State, Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Kiran Rijiju, today inaugurated the synthetic athletic track and field and the synthetic football ground at Sai Training Center, Nehu Campus, Shillong. Addressing the gathering, Shri Rijiju said that Meghalaya and other northeastern states have a huge potential in producing athletes to compete in national and international events. The development of various sporting infrastructures play a very important role in honing the skills of athletes. Stating that the development of sports has recently been added as a subject of priority under the Northeastern Council, he urged the youngsters of the state to approach the council in availing the various sporting facilities available. He also added, Shillong being a high-altitude area, the training center will act as a form of acclimatization for athletes from other parts of the state for a varied period of time. He also added, the Sports Authority of India Training Center Shillong has the potential in becoming a center of excellence in the country. Others present on the occasion were Kumari Isawanda Lalu, Deputy Commissioner of East Khasils District, Shri W. A. M. Booth, Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, Meghalaya, Shri Sylvester Nongtanger, SP East Khasils District, Shri Subhash Basumatri, SAI Regional Director, NER, among others.